In this question, you have to identify the correct statement. Option A. Photoreceptors in the human eye are depolarized during darkness and become hyperpolarized in response to light stimulus. Now, this is correct because in the dark, the photoreceptors, that is rods and cones, have open sodium channels due to high levels of cyclic GMP, resulting in depolarization. Whereas light activates a cascade that reduces cyclic GMP levels, thus closing sodium channels and causing hyperpolarization. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, receptors do not produce graded potentials. It is incorrect because many sensory receptors, such as those in the skin or photoreceptors, produce graded potentials in response to stimuli. Option C, nociceptors respond to changes in pressure. It is incorrect because these receptors detect pain and are sensitive to noxious stimuli such as extreme temperature, mechanical damage, or chemicals, but not ordinary pressure changes. Option C. Meissner's corpuscles are thermoreceptors. It is also incorrect because these are mechanoreceptors that respond to light touch and low frequency vibrations, but not temperature changes.